Hello, and welcome to Writing and Research, Writing 102. My name is Professor Catherine Meyer-Borst, and I'm so excited to be your professor this semester as we work through this exciting writing class. You've probably already looked at your syllabus, and so you can see there's quite a lot in front of us, but I just want to assure you that we are in this together. We will be working collaboratively. You'll be able to work in some editing groups and use our fabulous online writing center, and you will be pleased, I'm sure, with the kinds of writing that you produce. I'm sure you've heard this in many other writing classes, but we do focus on process here in this class. What that means is we really work through the steps along the way, try to work through what it means to write a thesis and organize a paper. We look at different genres in our writing to see what are the best tools for the particular type or the particular genre of writing we're working on. If you looked at your syllabus, you notice that there are 4 major papers for this course. The first one is the narrative paper, the remembered event paper. And in truth, this is usually one of the favorites of the many students taking this course because you get a chance to really explore and think about a significant event in your life that really made a difference to you for some reason. And you get to take that event and describe it and think about how you can convey that to your reader. And usually it's really fun to write. We do that pretty quickly here. That's our first paper, and we do that in the first week. And then we take a little bit more time in the other 3 papers in this course. The second paper is the paper where you get to write a profile. And what you'll discover, I believe, as you get into this, is that a lot of the same skills that you use to write your narrative will apply here. For instance, you'll be able to use some description, some narrative. You will have some storytelling as you put it together. But it's going to take you a couple more steps. That is, you'll be able to do some research. You'll go out and interview someone or a couple of people to create a well-rounded profile. You'll be able to incorporate those sources and research into your paper. So it kind of pushes you to the next level of academic writing. The third paper that we do in this class, I think you'll find useful in almost any university course you take. And that paper is the literary analysis. You may not be an English major, although you should certainly think about it. But those skills that you use to research a novel or a short story or a poem, to take apart that paper, to synthesize your material, incorporate it into a well thought out argument that is fully supported by the text, those skills are very transferable to other classes, to other papers. And you'll be able to select a story that you want to work on that has some meaning for you as we move forward with this. I think you'll enjoy that paper too. And then finally, our culminating project, the big paper that we're working on, and we spend over 3 weeks on this paper in our class, is the position argument. And I'm sure you know this already. So many university courses require that you do write an argument. And indeed, even outside of academia, in the workforce, you'll want to be able to build a concrete, sustainable argument that addresses other issues and counter arguments, and is well organized and can really put forth your ideas. So we spend some time on this, and we work on all the different pieces of that paper. For instance, you'll be writing an annotated bibliography with that. You'll be writing a thesis and an introduction, an abstract. You'll really have some time to work with editing with our fantastic online writing center and be able to produce, I'm sure you'll be very pleased with the results of that final paper. So that's just kind of a general overview of our writing for this course. You've noticed, I'm sure, on the syllabus and on Blackboard that we're using discussion board and some editing groups, all kinds of steps for our writing process to make this a really successful writing course for you, because that's certainly what we want here this summer. So I'll leave you with that. Again, welcome, enjoy your day, and I'll probably get back to you in a couple days with another video about that first paper, the remembered event. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.